Today's Tax Facts, sponsored exclusively on Virginia This Morning by Exclusive Tax Service. Question: do I pay taxes on my unemployment benefits?
The recently signed coronavirus relief bill, known as the American Rescue Plan Act, will save millions of people from having to pay taxes on their unemployment benefits. This is a provision to waive taxes on the first $10,200 in unemployment income for those who made less than $150,000 in adjusted gross income for 2020. If you've already filed your taxes, you will want to get them amended to get back the extra money that you are owed. You have up to 3 years to file this amended return and receive your money. If you're unsure about how to get started with your amended tax return, call our office today. We can help you with that.
Do you have tax questions? Contact Exclusive Tax Service at 804-323-1382 or visit exclusivetaxva.com today for all your tax and accounting needs.